Good morning students. Today we will discuss about chapter 6. Name of the chapter is decimal. So what the means of decimal and what we will do in this chapter? In this chapter we will do the calculation on the basis of decimal parts of the number. Like if I say we have a box and weight of this box is equal to 6 kg 800 grams. So how we will write in decimals? 6.8 kg. So we can also say weight of this box is 6.8 kg, otherwise 6 kg 800 gram. Assume that if we divide 2 by 10, then if you divide 2 by 10, then we got it 0.2. How? Like if we have 10 divided by 2, we can't divide, then we put decimal point, then 0, 10 to the 20. So here we got it a decimal point, a decimal sign. Name of this sign is point. We will say here point. And how to read this? 6.8. If number like this 6.327, then how we will read? 6.327, not 327. Okay students. Now type of the decimals and what the procedure of decimals. See here, first we will say if decimals are 3 upon 10, 4 upon 10 and 9 upon 10. If we divide these decimals, then we got it 0.3, 0.4 and 0.9. So here decimals are on the basis of its place value. Place value. What the means of that place value? After the point we have one digit, one number, then we say its place value is 1. If we have like two numbers 0.32, 783.46, 946.32. So these numbers having two digits or two numbers, then we say these are the two place values. Okay. Similarly, we can have three place values in the numbers like 3.463, 73.321. In these numbers we have three place value. So decimals are depending on the place value. These are two types, like or unlike. How to define like or unlike? First, like decimals. In the like decimals, if we have same place value like 0.32, 4.63, 7.92, 302.32. In these numbers we have same place value decimals. All the place values, all the numbers having place values are 2. So if we have same place values, then the numbers are called, decimals are called like decimal. If they have different place value, then we call these are unlike decimals. If you see here, then how 0.3, 0.32, 46.37, 5, 47.32. In these we will see here place value is 1, here 2, here 3, here again 2. So in these 4 numbers place values will be different, then these are unlike decimal. In these numbers decimal number place values are same. Here also 2 place value, here also 2, here also 2, and here also 2. Then these are called like decimals. Now we will do some questions of the decimal numbers in the form of word problem and in the numerical form. First we will see words. In words, decimal number in words. If we have first 6.2, we will say if a number is given like 6.2, how we will write these numbers? We write 6.2. If we have a number like 7.03, then how we will write? We write 7.03. So this type we can write any words in the numerical form. If words like this type, then we can write this type. Okay. If some numbers are given like tenths, 100, thousand, if we say a number is in the type 10 and 7/10, otherwise if number like 26 and 7 thousands. First number is 10 and 7/10. Second number is 26 and 7 thousands. What the means of tenths? What the means of hundreds? If we have a word tenth, it means first we write the number and we will divide this number by 10. If here hundreds, then first we write numbers like 25 upon 100. Here again 25 upon thousands. It means if tenth is given, it means we divide by 10. Hundredth is given, it means we divide by 100. Thousandth is given, then we divide by 1000. So this number we write like 10, 7 upon 10, it means 10.7. If we divide 26 and 7 by thousands, what the means? First we write 26, then 26 is here. After that 7 thousandths, it means 7 upon 1000. So we will see here 26.007. Why we got it here 2 zeros? Because if we divide any number like 36 upon 1000, then here we count the zeros, here 3 zeros, then upside we put after 3 digit a decimal point, So here we have 6 first digit, 3 second digit. Now we not have any digits, then we put 0, and after that we put point, and we can also write 0 here. Why? Because 0 always show a number. Okay students, so this type we can represent any decimals in the form of numbers. Okay, if you want to divide like if we divide 66 upon 1000, what we will do here? We put after 3 digit a decimal point. In this number we have only 2 digits, so 10 we can put, and here after decimal point. Okay, if a number is like 732 and we want to divide by 100, here we have 2 zeros, so after 2 digit we put decimal, first digit 2, second digit 3, after 2 digit we want to put a decimal, then remaining number is 7. If here no number is remaining, कोई number नहीं है बेटा, then we put here 0. Okay students, now we will see place value chart. What the means of place value? If we have ones place, tens place, thousand place, then how we will write in place value? So first we will draw a place value chart. Chart is like this type. In this we have made 2 rows. In the first row we write some numbers. So first we write here 10th. It means 1 upon 10. Here we write hundreds. Hundreds, it means 1 upon 100. Here we write thousand. One upon 1000. And on this side we write ones, tens, hundreds, this is our place value chart. What the means of this are? We will say it is the place value chart. So if our number is given like 3.164, otherwise we will say 23.164. We want to write this number into the place value chart. So after decimal we write from here, and before decimal we write these numbers in this block. So at ones place number is 3. At tens place we write number is 2. Tens place after the decimal first number at the place value of tenths. So here we write 1, here we write 6, and here we write 4. If we not have any numbers, then we will put here 0. So like these types you can solve any questions. In exercise 6a, your first question is like this. If number is given like 0.032. Then how we will represent? First, in the first part we write 0, again 0, again 0. At the place value of tens, after decimal we have again 0, then 3, then 2. So like this we can represent any numbers in the form of place value chart. If number is given like that, we want to find out just only place value. If number is given like that, if we want to find place value like 2, 3, 4, 6.0321, number given like that. Now here we want to find place value, and place value of a number. Here given that number is 4, number will be underlined. Then what the place value of 4 is? 400. Why? Sorry, 40, because it's 1 place, it's 10 place, then we will multiply 4 by 10, then we got it 40. After the decimal, it's 10th place, it's 100th place, and it's 1000th place. Then how we will write? If we want to find place value of 2, then how we will represent? 2 multiply by 1 upon 1000, we will got it 2 upon 1000. Similarly, if we will do here 346.32, and here we want to find place value of 3, then we will write 3 multiply by 1 upon 10 is equals to 3 upon 10. Why? Because its place value is 1 upon 10. 10th is the place value of this number. Okay, students. So using this calculation or this method, you can solve question number 5th in exercise 6th A. Now we will discuss about last topic in exercise 6th A. It is known as standard form. So standard form of a number, how we will represent standard form? If a number is given like 232.123, then first we write each and every number's place value. So first number's place value is ones, then we write only 2. Second number place value is 10th, then we write 3 multiply by 10, it means 30. Third number place value is 100th, then we write here 200 and put the positive sign in between all numbers. After the decimal, its place value is 1 upon 10, then we write 1 upon 10. Its place value is 1 upon 100, 100th's place value, then we write 2 upon 100, and its place value is 1 upon thousandths, then we write 3 upon 1000. Okay, students. If we take another example, 463.231, then how we will do? First we write this number 3, its place value is tens, then 10 6 ja 60, its place value is 100, then 100 4 ja 400. After the decimal, numbers will be divided, then 2 upon 100 plus, 2 upon 10, 3 upon 100 and 1 upon 1000. Okay students, today we will do exercise 6a, complete in your notebook, and if you have any doubts then you can ask on Scholar ERP app. Okay students.